My name is Erin. I currently work for Columbia Distributing. We are the largest beverage distributor in the Pacific Northwest. So we have non-alcoholic beverages, we have beer, we have wine, ready to drink, energy drinks, and I manage their routing department. So me and my team, we're responsible for making sure that all of the product that our talented sales team sells ends up on the most efficient routes, the right trucks, they show up to the customer at the right time, it's the right product. We're not sending trucks out to different places that can't fit in the parking lot. Basically, our whole goal is to make things as optimized as possible and contribute to Columbia's bottom line. Optimization, efficiency gains, and then a lot of project management, emergency planning, helped so much. It's helped more than sometimes I care to admit. There are things I'll catch myself. I was helping somebody recently make a presentation, and some of the lessons that I learned from Dr. Mitchell about how to build a presentation, where to present your results, came popping into my head, and then I'm passing it along. Information on when and when not to use certain graphs to tell a story from Dr. Gudigantala were things that came up regularly. I was specifically looking for a program that was focused on problem solving. I come from kind of a background in data analytics and economics, and so I wanted to build off of that. I was looking for a program that had in-person teaching, that was focused on real-world examples, so getting to work with local companies, getting to work on actual case studies, not just stuff from textbooks, and professors that were really engaged with their students. So I came in, I did kind of an introduction session, and then really after my first data analytics class, I was hooked. Seeing how we got to, what we learned and how we got to apply it to real world problems and then make a presentation on it. And that's stuff that has really served me well within Columbia, is being able to go through the scientific process, trying to stay true to what it was I really wanted to do in my life. As I was looking at different programs, or even while I was in the program, there were a lot of times when shiny things would come up, and I would start to look at them off the side and think, oh, maybe this isn't the path that I have laid out isn't quite right. Maybe I should be doing something else. And so my recommendation is know what you want and then put everything through that filter. Is this getting me closer to the goals that I have in mind? So if you're looking for a graduate program or certification or anything like that, understanding, okay, what is my ultimate goal? And is this going to get me closer to it? I think graduate program is a huge commitment. It was a lot of time and energy and money and all of that. And so making sure that whatever you're doing is purposeful. That allows you then to be more engaged in your classes, more engaged with your classmates, more engaged with your professors, because you're actually interested in it. It's not just something you're going through the motions for.